stop. Hi guys. Yeah? Okay, wait. Let me vlog and then I'll talk to you guys. Hi guys, welcome back to a vlog. Today is Friday, the 3rd of January, and finally I'm trying to vlog because I've been vlogging in my head. So we're going to the mall with the kids, but we're just going to buy stationery. We're not gonna do anything special, guys. I have been trying to vlog since probably November, but life is happening. Life happened and I couldn't do it. So let's get back to it, and I hope you enjoy. Bye bye. Maravona mo una lama boxes, so I don't know. Oh. Tarabo. I think this one.
No? Yeah.
6 pages. You wearing? The pocket.
Mommy?
Yeah. Yeah. Tula tula mama tula sana. Eh? It has to. Okay, guys. We are. Yes, we'll get these ones. It's tissue and they're 10. So let's do this ones, guys.
Mommy, I want to get off my rainbow.
You want to get off what?
My rainbow.
Let's buy these. Eh? It looks happy. It's going to work. I don't know. Ah, how cute! That one, innit? It's so cute and small.
Mommy, it's another like it.
Oh, Junie, we should buy you a toothbrush.
I want this color. I want this color you think.
I actually like this one. This is my favorite toothbrush. I know that people hate it because they say it's too harsh, but no, I like it. I enjoy this one.
Mommy, banana.
That's so beautiful.
That is so hard.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to yet another beautiful day. I think the last time we spoke was yesterday when I was cooking, and then I got tired, and then we went to my partner's aunt, so I couldn't really vlog. And honestly, I'm still trying to get back to vlogging because I haven't vlogged in like 2 months. And I stopped just when I was learning to vlog. Anyway, I bought a few things during the course of the week last week, so I decided let me show you some of these few things. Okay, the first one, we have these bowls. Is it bowls? So I bought bowls and then bowls. I bought 4 of them, and then each one is 34 rands. And then these bowls, they go very well with the plates that I bought. Where's the plate? Oh, here it is. They go very well with these plates. I think the colors match. Could be wrong, but I think the colors match. And then also these plates, I bought 4 of them. And then each one is 34 rands. And then these bowls, I think I'll just use them mainly for cereal because as you can see, they're very small. And then let me show you the bowls that I like. I like these ones. Okay, so these are the bowls that I usually try to buy because they're big. And the nice thing about them is that you can actually eat like normal food in here as well as cereal. So unfortunately, when I went to the store I was just browsing, and then I only found 2 of these, and I already broke one. My heart was painful, but I have to move on. But yeah, these are the kind of bowls I like, but I didn't buy them now. I bought them maybe like 2 months ago, but I just wanted to show you the comparison, that this one is very big and this one is actually small, and this one you can eat a lot of things in it. It's unlike this one. And then I got this scissors. I already used them. I got these scissors. I believe they were 20 rands. I'm not sure, but I believe they were 20 rands. They're very useful for cutting meat. I don't know why I never had them, but they're very useful when used in the kitchen. I've realized that they're very, very useful. Obviously, when you don't have something, you feel like it's not useful, but then once you get it, you understand why people have it. And then I also just bought this to replace the one that broke. I think it broke about a week ago, so I just replaced it, which was 10 rands. Let me see here. Here's the, yes, it was about 10 rands. And then we also got these plates. This one is just to, they're very plain, but I like, they're very plain, but I like the fact that they're white. And then each one was 26 rands. These ones as well, I bought 4. Is it? Yes, I bought 4 of them. And then we also got the ice tray. This one I saw from my mom, and what I like is that once the water freezes and then the ice are ready to come out, you just press these little things and they just come out so easy, unlike those ones that you have to like turn around and do all these crazy things. So I just like this fact that once you put them in, when you take them out, seamless, and it's so easy. I love that, especially for people with nails. And then I also bought this. I also opened it yesterday when I was cooking. I think you will see a little clip of me using this in the cooking part of the video. And then yeah, it was 60 rands, this one. I saw those ones where they have like white in the middle and then there's like brown on the side, but they're too small for now anyways. I feel like they're too small. And then I was influenced by my cousin when I went home for my uncle's funeral. We were baking, and then what is this? She was using these things and also those other big ones that they use for sugar and other big things. I don't know, I just love them. I'm like, you know what, once I have a stove and I want to bake, I'm gonna be bougie and just use the measuring spoon instead of just and I think it'll be easier to follow a recipe when you have measuring things. And then we also got a sieve, and the sieve, okay, this one was 10 rands, and then the sieve was 30 rands. Also got influenced because when the flour was like moving around in here, I was like, I really like that because it made the flour so soft, and I think that's why the scones came out really soft. And then that's it for all of the things that I bought. I think for now I'm just going to tidy up in here, and then after that I have to bath the kids and then lie down, edit this video, because I think I'll probably close it today because I don't want to make a very long video. Anyway, I'll see you and we'll catch up later. Bye bye.